Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the charts behind me, which are of DocuSign, ticker symbol DOCU, and Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. So I'll be going over both of these today because their earnings are December 7th, which is Thursday, after hours. So I thought it'd be fun to do that. Also, because I shared this post from Earnings Whispers and was taking requests for tickers to go over, and Earnings Whispers themselves requested that I cover these two. So, just being stoked to get a response from Earnings Whispers, I'm excited to do this, although I think it's going to be pretty challenging. Okay, and so starting with DocuSign. Basically, what I see here is this downtrending level of resistance. I'll go over touch points of that, the pivot points, at the end of the video. But I also see these levels above the current price that might be of significant resistance. One being based on the low of March 13th, which is set $47.78, marked in yellow. Also, I have the low of August 24th, which was, the close of August 24th, which was $46.69. I believe the low would not also touch another tail of a candle, so I wanted to include that. And then also I have this downtrending level of support based on these two pivot points over here. And so because currently, the price at $46.06 appears to be above this downtrending level of prior support. I feel that the price could go up following earnings, perhaps going up to this downtrending level of resistance, the white line there. So, while I don't have any eggs in either of these baskets, just to speculate for fun, I'm going to say I think that DocuSign will go up following earnings as long as the closing price on Thursday is above this red downtrending level of support. And then as far as AVGO goes, I actually think that this will go down following earnings. One of those reasons is because there is this this parallel channel that stock price has resided in since, beginning on the close of May 26th, has traded within that for the most part. However, there was this break above, reaching an all-time high, I believe, at least a 52-week high. I'm pretty sure it's an all-time high. And now it's trading within that channel. And so basically, it would be a 10% drop, slightly over 10% drop, to go to the bottom of that channel. There is also a gap within the channel, and what I see below the channel is this large area where there has been little consolidation, just a little bit around here, around 670, but there was even a gap to the upside. So, I do think that could be filled. However, there have been gaps in the past that were not filled, so it's quite possible this one will never be filled. And then just thinking about some other levels to consider within the channel. Basically, this blue line is based on, that is the closing price, $917.89. Had a few wicks touch that over here, a couple wicks touch it over here, and the current price is below that level. Also, I did a Fibonacci retracement from the low on October 26th, which was the low was $818.34, going to the all-time high of $999.87. And the 50% level of that retracement is just below the current price. So, I do feel that could be a level of support. However, since the price is below the blue line and within the channel, perhaps there will be a retest of the top of that channel, but I do think it will get rejected and there will be a drop following earnings. And also related to that, the SPY seems to be like it is testing an approximate area of resistance. This line could be off, but I do feel like the SPY is bound to be pulling back, especially with this gap here. And so I believe AVGO is represents 1% of the SPY. So if the SPY is dropping, if AVGO is dropping, I think that those could coincide with a drop. And so I do think that could be possible. And then coming back to DocuSign, this white downtrend is based on the high on, let's see, June 27th, 2022. And let's see, the high on March 17th, 2023. And so that's how I get that line. There were a few breaks above it, but it does seem like it has served as resistance throughout time. So, I do think that could be resistance again, but that would mean a move to the upside for DocuSign. Whereas with Broadcom, I do think that there is a good amount of space below it. And so that's what I think will happen following earnings. But again, this is just speculation for entertainment purposes only. No eggs in any of these baskets, just having fun here. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more speculative videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.